Hi guys, today we are going to show you guys how to make aggregate impact value test. The objective from this test is to assess the resistance of aggregate to mechanical degradation by the aggregate impact value and to determine percent thrust due to impact load. So the material we need is aggregate, tapping rod, mold, and this sheath. We use the 14 mm, 10 mm sheath, and 2.36 mm sheath.
And this is aggregate impact test machine.
We also use weight balance.
First, we need to weigh the mold and the sheath that we use using weight balance. For this test, we need to use aggregate placing a 40 mm sheath and methane on a 10 mm sheath. So, we need to put all the aggregates in the sheath so we can sieve the whole sample in the tray. For this test, we need to use the test sieve machine to sieve the whole of the sample for 5 minutes. Next, fill up the cylindrical metal container with aggregates in 3 similar layers. Each layer shall be tamped 25 times with a 10 mm round and tamping rod by allowing the tamping rod to fall freely from a height about 50 mm above the surface of the aggregate and the blows being evenly distributed over the surface. Weight the mass of aggregate in the cylindrical metal container. Next, fix and secure the cylindrical metal container containing the whole of the test sample in position on the base of the machine. The test sample is subject to 15 blows of the hammer dropping 181 mm, each being delivered at an interval not less than 1 second. The hammer should be slide freely between vertical guides so arranged that the lower part of the hammer is above the concentric with the mold. Next, determine the mass of the crushed sample. Sieve the whole of the sample in the tray on the 2.36 mm BS test sieve until no further significant amount passes in 3 minutes. Next, determine the mass of the crushed sample. Weight the fraction passing and retain on the sieve to an accuracy of 0.1 gram. Discard the result and make a fresh test.